Weird. Well, right now I've got all the grounds disconnected because I'm rerouting them and checking them and cleaning them, redoing them. So there might be some spurious junk coming in, but I did just back down on the power a little bit. Did that help? It did. It doesn't rely on that quite a bit. Oh, good. Okay. Well, it's kind of the sweet spot right here. It's too.
I had to shoot it too, but I haven't taken. Oh, there's Cody out there. Yeah, I hope you got some food. But anyway, Cody out. Yeah. Anyway, but I did get mole number 8 yesterday in my trap, so that's. Then I put out another trap. I mowed the field, or most of the field yesterday, and there was a lot of soft spots and little good spots where the moles have been working out there. And I caught the last, where did I get the last one? Oh, it was about 30 feet from the garden along the pathway that goes to some of the nut trees behind the cook pit. So that's where I got the last one, and that was number 8. So I'm really heading toward a record. I think my record's about 13